Our business partner here in Costa Rica, Smart, has demonstrated, at least to me, how they bring customers in the Central America market along on a transformation journey. They have a good grasp on the technology, on the use cases, and what helps to drive customer successes and growth.
The Smart and Siemens work with many customers and especially Siemens across the board in the globally working with all the customers has the ability to benchmark how the customers and the plants are performing here in Costa Rica versus the rest of the world, and this is where the knowledge and the domain knowledge and the portfolio of Siemens comes in hand for somebody like Smart in working with the customers in promoting. And I have clearly seen that the Smart and the team are actually doing excellent job in guiding the customers, in coaching them and what kind of steps they need to take for their digital transformation. And I have clearly seen the customers expressing the gratitude and the additional guidance in achieving their goals.